Hello friends, today we are going to learn sentences. Before we begin this lesson, I would like to thank you for supporting my channel. You support mean so much to me. Now let's start the lesson. Mbere yuko dutangira rino somo ndagira ngo nshimire abantu bose badufashije muri iyi channel bakareba video zacu, bagakora like, share na comment kandi bagakora na subscribe. Ni ab'agaciro kuri njye, mwarakoze. Reka dutangire. Iron clothes, gutera imyenda ipasi. To remove wrinkles from clothes using an iron. Gukura iminkanyari mu myenda ukoresheje ipasi. Example: I iron my clothes before work. Ntera ipasi imyenda yanjye mbere y'akazi. Set alarm, gushyiraho alarm, meaning to set device to wake you up at specific time. She forget to set her alarm. Yibagiwe gushyiraho alarm ye. Do you set an alarm every night? Ushyiraho alarm buri joro. Let's continue the lesson. Do you iron your clothes? Utera ipasi imyenda yawe. Do you iron your clothes? I take out the trash every evening. Nsohora imyanda buri mugoroba. She took out the trash this morning. Yasohoye imyanda iki gitondo. She took out the trash this morning. Who take out the trash in your house? Ninde ukura imyanda iwawe? Clean the house, gusukura inzu, meaning to tidy and sanitize the home. Gusukura mu rugo utera n'umuti. I clean the house every weekend. Nsukura inzu buri weekend. I clean the house every weekend. How often do you clean the house? Usukura inzu inshuro zingahe? How often do you clean the house? Water the plants, kuhira ibihingwa, meaning to provide water to plants. I water the plants every morning. Nuhira ibihingwa buri mu gitondo. Do you water your plants regularly? Wuhira ibihingwa byawe ku buryo buhoraho. Do you water your plants regularly? Walk the dog, gutembereza imbwa, meaning to take the dog for a walk, kujyana imbwa kuyitembereza. She walks her dog twice a day. Atembereza imbwa ye kabiri ku munsi. She walks her dog twice a day. They enjoy walking the dog together. Banezezwa no gutembereza imbwa bari kumwe. Do you walk your dog every day? Utembereza imbwa yawe buri munsi. Do you walk your dog every day? Make coffee, gutegura ikawa, meaning to prepare a cup or pot of coffee. She makes coffee for everyone at the office. Ategurira buri wese ikawa ku biro. They made coffee before starting the meeting. Bategura ikawa mbere yuko batangira inama. Do you make coffee or buy it? Witegurira ikawa cyangwa urayigura? Do you make coffee or buy it? Check social media, kureba ibigezweho kuri social media, meaning to look at update on social media platform. She check her social media accounts every morning. Agenzura imbuga nkoranyambaga ze buri gitondo. They check social media to stay updated. Bagenzura imbuga nkoranyambaga ngo bakomeze kugira amakuru agezweho. How often do you check social media? Ugenzura imbuga nkoranyambaga kangahe? How often do you check social media? Read the news. Gusoma amakuru. To read current news stories. She reads the news every morning. Asoma amakuru buri gitondo. She reads the news every morning. Do you read the news daily? Usoma amakuru buri munsi. Do you read the news daily? Do exercise. Gukora imyitozo. Meaning, to perform physical activity to stay fit. She does yoga exercise regularly. Akora imyitozo ya yoga mu buryo buhoraho. She does yoga exercise regularly. What kind of exercise do you do? Ukora iyihe myitozo? What kind of exercise do you do? Write in a journal. Kwandika mu gakayi. To write daily entire in personal journal. Kwandika ibintu by'ingenzi mu gakayi k'umwihariko. I write in my journal every night. Nandika mu gakayi kanjye buri joro. I write in my journal every night. Do you write in a journal? Ese wandika mu gakayi kawe? Do you write in a journal? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like. See you another video. I hope we will see you soon.